friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module we are going to discuss, we have to find what is the area of designed region, a common between two quadrants of a circle. So the region, designed region, this region area we have to find it. So what is the common between, both common between this sector and this sector? It is joined, and after that we have to take. So first, before going to solve this one, we have to analyze this one, how to solve this one, this question. So first of all, we have to find what is the areas of two sectors. Let's going to divide this into two sectors. So this is one sector and this is another sector. So these regions are combinedly joined. So this is one what? AB, D, and this one is what? DC, B. So here joined, this area, this designed region, we have to find it, but it is joined. So if it is combinedly joined, we will get it as square. Yes, one portion is extra. So actually, if you take this one as, so this area, let's going to take this area, one thing. So this one we got it as, let's going to take, this is from first sector and this is empty region. So if you take total square area, from that if you subtract these two areas, so if you subtract these two sectors areas, then we will get the design region. Why? Because here this total is call it as square. Yes, in that already one design region is included in the circle, sector, that is square. So this already, this designed region already included in the area of what? Square, area of square. But here one more design region is there. If you divide it, one more design is there. So for that, if you calculate this area and this area, do both areas, and subtract it from area of square, then we will get it as one square extra portion. So that is the region. So for that, this is the one. So if you subtract from this total area, square area, then we will get the required region of designed region. Yes. So first of all, let's going to calculate area of, so here 10 centimeters, 10 centimeter, the radius will be equal to 10 centimeter for the each sector. So area of sector, that is ABD, will be equal to x degrees by 360 degrees into, what is that? So here it's making 90 degrees. Don't get confused. Sectors are making 90 degrees, pi r square, that is area of circle. So that is x degrees is 90 degrees by 360 degrees into, what is this? 22 by 7 into, radius is 10 into 10. So that is the case. 90 ones are 90, 4s are, then 4 ones are, sorry, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are, then 2 1s are, 2 5s are. So what answer we are getting? 11 into 5 10s are 50 by 7. 50 by 7. So this is the required one. Let's keep it as it is. So what is that? 11 into 550 by 7. 7 1s are 7 7s are 49. 1 will be 60. 7 8s are 56 point. Then 7 50. So 7 8s are 56. What is this? 50. Sorry, here 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. 60 will be there. So why? Because 49 means 5 60. 67 8s are 56. So 60 minus 56, 40 point. What answer we will get? 40. 7 5s are 35. Again 50. 7. What answer? 78 point. What answer we are getting? 7 7s are again 1. 7 1s are 30. It will go like that. So let's going to take 78.5. This is the centimeter square. 78.5 is the required area. Then find it area of sector. Area of the sector BCD. That is same measurements. That is area of sector. Similarly, what is that? Area of the sector, what is that? ABD. So you can assign the same value for that, 78.5. 78.5. So let's take approximately I am taking. So this is not exact values, approximately we are taking. So that is the, what you can say, area of designed region. So area of square is side into side, we will get it as 10 into 10, 100 centimeter square. So therefore area of designed region, what is that? Area of two sectors, sum of the areas of, what is that? Sum of areas of two sectors minus area of square. So if you take these two jointly, as I already explained, these two take jointly, then one portion will be included in the square and another will be extra. Yes. So for that we are taking. So that is 78.5 plus 78.5 minus 100. So 78.78, 156. So 156, that is 157 minus 100, we will get it as 57 centimeter square. So this area will be equal to 57 centimeter square, the designed region. This is the way to find the calculations. If you like the video, please like it. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.